do we cry, poor banished children of Eve? To thee do we send up our sighs, mourning and weeping in this valley of tears. Turn then, most gracious Advocate, thine eyes of mercy toward us, and after this our exile, show unto us the blessed fruit of thy womb, O clement, O loving, O sweet Virgin Mary.
Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to all people.